Here is how we can see the previous satellite images on Google Maps. Let me show you exactly how it works. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So of course, we have the Google Maps, which you can get inside and browse like the images, right? You can switch from the regular modes to the satellite, but you don't really have the ability to kind of like go back in a time. So inside of the Google Maps, you can only watch the latest version of satellite images. However, you can get a different app from Google as well, which is called Google Earth. You can get it from the App Store for free, of course. It's from Google, so you can sign in with the very same account. And the difference is that you can get in there, and Google Earth is also kind of like maps, but more for exploring and browsing it around, whereas Google Maps is mostly for navigation and quick useful info. Right, so you can get inside Google Earth and tap on Explore at the bottom like this, and you can see wherever we happen to be, whatever. We are inside of the satellite mode by default, so I can go zoom in wherever I want. And in order to see the images from the past, I can tap on the layers icon in the top right, scroll through below, and find the historical imagery toggle. So as you can see, you can explore the catalog of historical imagery of the planet. You have to enable it like this. And now we have the timeline at the bottom. So the latest is from August 25th, 2025, right? So you can kind of like go back in time and see as it changes, right? Perhaps it may not be like too obvious, but it's definitely something that you can browse, right? So you can see how the landscape changes throughout the years, and it depends on the place, but you can kind of like go pretty far into the past and browse the data from historical imagery, right? So that's how it works. I hope that I was able to explain it to you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.